All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look at this problem. We've got two rational expressions that we want to multiply together and write it as a single rational expression. We want that to be in lowest terms, and we also want to state any restrictions that we have. With this arithmetic, restrictions come when we have a variable in the denominator. There exists a possibility of that variable causing division by zero, and so we have to make sure our denominators are never equal to zero. So let's start out by writing these two fractions as a single fraction. Multiplication is pretty easy when it comes to fractions. You just multiply the numerators together and you multiply the denominators together. I'm going to write the 5 out in front because the order of multiplication doesn't matter. So it's pretty easy for me to see right now what my restriction is. In my denominator, I can see that r can't be a negative 10. But I don't see common factors as it's written, but I do see that this first binomial, 5r plus 10, has not been completely factored. So let's come over and rewrite 5r plus 10 as 5 times r plus 5 times 2. And we see that a 5 is common to both terms, and we can rewrite it as 5 times the quantity r plus 2. So I've got 5 times the quantity r plus 2, r minus 2, and 5 times r plus 10. I've got my restriction that r can't be negative 10. Well, now I can see that 5 divided by 5 is 0, and that's the only common factor that I see. So my final answer, r plus 2 times r minus 2 all over r plus 10, where r cannot equal a negative 10. Now some people might multiply these two binomials together to get r squared minus 4. I'm going to leave it in factored form. We work so hard to learn how to factor. We can gain so much information when we look at things in factored form, really, versus standard form, that I'm just going to leave my answer like this. All right. Hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.